Good morning, dear students. How are you? All of you, dear students. Today I have one information is there. So when our chemistry class is going on, that time maximum students are absent. What's your problem? Please, dear students, don't break your goal. Please. Do you know one thing? Just recently, before 2 days or 1 day, plus two science result is declared. You know very well most of the students can bring only for chemistry 21, 22, 23 just to pass mark. That's why when our class is started that time 200 times I am telling to you, all of us, not dear students, chemistry is very vital or important parts of our science. You are listening 1 year and you are depressed say the other years. Really, for my side, that is very very bad, dear students. I hope you all people shall attend my online class. Dear students, you learn some new things, new substance. You ask me, don't worry. If you not attending my online class, how it will be possible? That's your problem, dear students. Please, okay? Again, I am not repeating to you. Just day by day. What's your problem? Okay. Anyway, leave that topic. But for my side, I am request to you, or I hope today to all people shall attend, or all students are attend and come through our online class. You learn some new things. If have you any doubt, then you ask. Okay. Anyway, leave the topics. So, dear students, already last class I told you about of factors affecting electrical conductivity of electrical solution, and another is important subtopic is the redox reaction. That one little bit we have to discuss, just to 1 minute say top important topics is there, so little bit we have to revise. Do you know very well the electrolytic solutions are commonly called as electrolytes. These electrolytes are contain certain importance factors. What are these importance factors are there? First one is nature of electrolytes or interionic attraction. Second one is solvation of ions. Third one is viscosity of solvent. Just from my side, I have just we all of us reminder these things. Okay, I hope you all people also reminder these things. So already we explained in our last class the nature of electrolytes, solvation of ions, viscosity of solvents. Some students also asking me questions, sir, what do you mean by viscosity? Already I cleared that one. Okay. So next another things is the redox reaction. Redox reaction is also very very important. So the redox reaction are commonly called as electron transfer process. Why is a redox reaction are also called as electron transfer process? Because in that process the electron can transfer from one substance to other substance. Already I'm given to you example sodium chloride. How sodium consider of a sodium and sodium chloride reaction, its valency, its atomic number, donor of electron, acceptor of electron, yes or no. Next another things is there, the redox reaction is having, these are two reaction, one is oxidation reaction, another is redox reaction. Oxidation reduction means what? What, dear students? The oxidation reduction and reduction reaction, according to our organic, oxidation means addition of oxygen and reduction means addition of hydrogen. But here's our electrochemistry, oxidation means loss of electron, reduction means gain of electron. Already do you know that very well. Okay, dear students. So anyway, out of what today I am going to teach you, today the interesting topic or very very important portions. That important portion's name is known as what? Ohm's law. What, dear students? Ohm's law. Do you know the Ohm's law is also, the Ohm's law course is also there of our physics. Do you know very well the Ohm's law? Particularly our chemistry syllabus is there electrochemistry, that already we will learn these things. Okay. What do you mean by Ohm's law, dear students? Please all of you listen properly. This class having only for English language. If is there any your understanding, if any problem is there means you ask. Don't worry. Okay. So day by day we will be change our different mode of teaching styles. Okay, dear students. If you are agree, then I am ready. Otherwise, no sir, please sir, you translate to English to Odia means for my side I am agree. But some days, any days, for day by day we will be change our motivational class. Okay dear students, let us start our class on Ohm's law. All of you listening properly? Yes sir. Okay, for my side also I am reply you. I am also sir or I am also students. Okay, next. So Ohm's law means what? It states that the strength of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference bracket V across the two ends at constant temperature. Already Ohm's law, the definition what is statement is there already I read it. Okay, but now we are going to be what? Explanation method. It states that means who states that? This Ohm's law states that strength of current. Strength of current means what dear student? What is the stamina of a current? What is the strength of a current? What is the tendency of a current? That things. Okay, the strength of a current flowing means what? Fluid part. Flowing means not fluid part. Flowing means it can transform from one part to another part. Flowing through a conductor. We know very well a electric current is transferred from a conductor, not insulator. Okay, all of us know that things. A conductor. This current we know very well. This current is represented by the letter I. This current is directly proportional to the which? Potential difference. Do you know potential difference? Potential difference is the what? According to physics topic is there. Potential difference means a straight line is there. This one here V1 and V1 V2. This potential, this difference of the 2 points is known as our potential difference. Or I hope you all people shall go through the physics topics. Here the potential difference particular definition is there, but here only you remember the potential difference is the letter is represented by the letter V. Okay, in that cases you remember only the potential difference is V. Okay, what the Ohm's law are said? The current is directly proportional to the potential difference at a constant what? Temperature. Just your side you have to remember Ohm's law is means the I is directly proportional to V at constant temperature. These things, these three parts, these three mathematical terms already here explanation is there. Okay, next its mathematical term is we know very well I proportional V. I means what dear students? Flowing strength of current flowing through a conductor. I means electric current is directly proportional to the what is their potential difference I proportional V. Or also we can written I proportional V also V proportional I. Yes or no? It is possible? Definitely. So when we remove this proportional symbol, then it will be form a letter R. This V equal to IR. Okay. So what do you mean by R dear students? Where in which cases where R is constant. R is known as a constant. This constant name is known as a resistance. Definitely. A boys or a girls are came from to our world, then definitely we have to give their name, or we have to give, definitely we have to mention their name. Same as well as this R is came in, this R is a new words or new things. When this R is entry here, definitely we have to mention his or her name, their name. Okay, so R is known as a resistance. Okay dear students, next what do you mean by this resistance? So resistance is represented by the letter R. Here Odia meaning is also there. The resistance Odia meaning is known as Pratirodha Shakti. That's your side, yourself you have to remember. Okay, so what do you mean by resistance? The resistance of a substance is directly proportional to the length of conductor and inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the conductor. What? The resistance is one type of substance which is defined as the directly proportional. Directly means, do you know its Odia meaning is Pratyaksha Bhabare. Proportional means the ratio, the conversion of the equivalent proportion of two ratio is known as proportional. Samanupatiko. So is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. Length of the conductor is represented by the letter L, and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Area of cross section means A is represented. Inversely proportional means what dear students? Directly means like this. Inversely means like this. Okay, directly proportional to means V proportional I, or inversely proportional means V proportional 1 by I. Like this will be happen inversely. Just I am telling to you only inversely. Inversely means this is the inverse. of the conductors. Do you know very well, conductors are the substance which possess electric current. This is the mathematical form, R proportional L. This is the only explanation method, dear students. Already this persons or this particular Ohm's law resistance, already another notes is there I have. When completed our class, then I will send a new lesson, in new note copy. Okay, don't worry. Here this is only rough our explanation method. So R proportional, R means resistance. This resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. We have to mention equation number 1. And R inversely proportional to the area cross section of area. So R proportional 1 by A. This is the equation number 2. When we combining these equation number 2, 1 and 2, then we get R proportional L into 1 L by A. If it is go to the above side, means L by A. Yes or no? L into 1 L by A. When I remove this proportional symbol, then it will be form a new words like this P also. But you don't write P like this also, you write this P symbol is known as a specific resistance, or also known as a resistivity. Please remember, somebody is asking you question, what do you mean by like this symbol P means? It is known as specific resistance or resistivity. Its definition also there, that one later we will be discussed. Okay, dear students. So now next point is there. What is the unit of resistance? The unit of resistance is ohm. Why, sir, the unit of resistance ohm is happen? Because this resistance is came from our Ohm's law. That's why the resistance unit is ohm. Okay, dear student, this is the Ohm's law. Okay, understands all of you? If is there any doubt, please ask me.